everyone, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time, I hope you like what you see and subscribe. We're on the Grand Lake watershed today, fishing for chain pickerel with Katie and Kurt.
Bring some Newfoundland wisdom on the water.
Love to see that. Let's get fishing. My sacred heart, look what we saw swimming across the river. Not exactly a squirrel. We don't want to get too close and scare him. See how big he is. There he goes. Probably a couple 100 pounds. The rig that we're using today, spinnerbait with a 125-pound fluorocarbon leader tied onto a swivel to the main line. Okay, away we go. First cast. 2021 chain pickerel. Here we come.
You got one, or is it just me, Kurt? I think Kurt's got one.
I think we're on, friends. Kurt could have the first fish of the day.
No.
It's just weird.
You got one, Kurt?
No.
Oh, my son, well, what was
There was bites though.
what was
like
Team
it.
Newfoundland screaming about? Kurt, turn around here. Let me see, buddy. What do you got there? Oh, you on, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay, here comes Team Newfoundland. And Kurt just turned sideways just a little bit. There you go. We're gonna get a good shot of you there, buddy. Oh, nice. Big fish, too. Okay, Kurt, bring it around the other side to your right. Perfect.
In the water?
Okay, keep him in the water. My gosh, Kurt. Here's a big fish. Okay, let some more line out. Kurt, there you go, brother. Okay. Hold him up. Let me get out of the way now. Okay, we'll try this one.
That's how it's done.
That's huge.
Okay.
I gotta get a picture of that.
Perfect.
Sitting right here, and I have my lure in the boat, and I was just bobbing it outside the
Oh,
boat.
look at it again, guys. It must be chasing.
Oh!
Oh, I just missed one right there, guys.
I saw that.
Oh. He's right in there, Kurt. Oh, yeah, I got the old. Oh, he came.
Oh.
He came. Got him, and it had the bait all sideways. We're on. Woo! There he is. Oh. Okay, is that bigger than Team Newfoundlands or what? There we go. Easy. Nice little gator. Oh, Katie. That was a fish there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, yeah, got one. Got him.
Katie's on. Okay, Katie, turn sideways, sweetie. There you go.
What do you think, Kurt?
Nice fish. Okay, don't reel it anymore. I'll get the
I'm doing an
pliers.
underwater shot now.
Oh my gosh, Kurt.
Uh-oh, Kurt.
Uh-oh.
I think she
Well,
got
hang
me.
on. I
Kurt.
gotta get him. I gotta get him though.
Okay, yes.
my
Oh my,
gosh,
Kurt, get
Katie.
the camera. Kurt, get the camera.
Oh my gosh,
my
Katie. Look at that fish.
That might be the...
Okay, that is a huge. Oh my gosh, he's big. Okay, put him back in the water. Did you get a picture, Kurt?
Yeah.
So, what predators do they have? Like birds, people. Is that a bite?
Yep. came for it twice, guys, but he never touched it. It was only a small one. There we are, we're on. Woohoo! Oh, leaper! Okay, there's the little guy. Hold still now. Gotta get him out. Gotta get him back in the water. There he goes. What a beautiful day. Would like to see the wind die down a little bit though. Oh my gosh, right there, guys, look.
I know.
Right up in front.
Yeah. You should cast.
Oh, fish right here in the channel. Some deeper water right here. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I got a fish on! Woo!
Dad, don't hurt.
Love it. Oh, long line release. Didn't have to touch that one. We'll count them. Well, friends, I think that's going to be it for today. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. Till next time, stay safe.